Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. As you know very well, we are done with exercise 10 in the previous session. This is exercise 11 that you can find on page 66 if you have a textbook with you. In case if you don't have a textbook, I can provide you a PDF of this book on the number provided. Before I start exercise 11 to make your work easy, I just like to give you a brief intro to formula. Now, in the previous exercise, we are done with simplifying the brackets. Now, for example, if you have this value in front of you and I am asking you to multiply by itself, squaring means multiply by itself. So, the question is going to be looking something like this, right? Now, in here you will be multiplying x by x plus 4 first, and then again x plus 4 will be multiplied by plus 4, and you will get x square plus 4x plus 4x and plus 16. So ultimately you will get 8x plus 16. Now to make this work easy, now for example, if you have x plus 4, so what you can do is you directly square the first and the second term, x square and plus 16. Straight away it can be done. 4 times 4 is a square, 4 square is a 16, and 4 times x, 4 times x is going to be 4x, and double it like this and make it over here 8x. So this is going to be final answer. Without doing all this, you can get straight to the answer of this. Now for example, if I give you 5x plus 2y, for example, and I'm asking you to multiply by itself. So what you have learned is squaring the first term, 5 square, and second term over here, a square plus b square, and plus 5 times 2, 5 times 2 times x times y. So this is going to give you a 10x y, right? Now double it. You have to double it and write it here. 20xy is going to be your final answer. Now, for example, if I give you 3x, something like this, 3x minus 3y, or make it 2y, for example, and I'm asking you to square it. So what you should be doing is 3x square and 2y square like this. 3 times 2 is a 6xy, and double it. So that means 12xy is going to be added like this, and you will get the final answer. It's going to be a negative 12xy plus y square. Now final answer for this is going to be 9x square minus 12xy and plus 4y square. Now in case if another question is like 6x minus 3y whole square, so what you will be doing is 6x whole square, and in here you write 3y whole square, and 6 times 3 is 18, 18 times 2 is 36. That means minus 36xy you will be adding, and this is going to be your 36x square minus 66 is 64, x square minus 36xy and plus 9y square is going to be your final answer for this question. So this is, I'm giving you a brief intro to the formula. For example, if it is 5a minus 3b and it is a whole square multiplying by itself, so what you will do is 5a whole square and 3b also whole square. 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 2 is a 30, so minus 30 ab you write here, and final answer is going to be 25a square minus 30 ab and plus 9b square. Now taking you to the first question, which is over here. As I start, I am going to give you for this one. For example, if it is X plus 4 is multiplied by x plus 4. That means x plus 4 is going to be multiplied by itself, plus 4, and x plus 4, something like this. So it's going to give you x square plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. So x square plus 8x plus 16 as an answer. This is what you have learnt in the explanation. In here, I'll be multiplying x plus 2 by x plus 2. So I will write x this one and plus 2 this way. So first one is going to give you x square plus 2x and plus 4 like this. So final answer is going to be x square plus 4x plus 4 as an answer. For question number 3, x minus 2 is going to be multiplied by x minus 2. So to make it easy, I am going to write this way. X will be here and minus 2 will be here. So this is going to give you x square minus 2x and plus 4. So x square minus 4x plus 4 is going to be your final answer. For question number 4, 2x plus 1 is multiplied by itself. So that means 2x plus 1 is going to be multiplied twice, first with 2x and next with plus 1. So in here I'm multiplying 2x and plus 1 like this. So this is going to give you 4x square plus 2x plus 2x and plus 1. So final answer for this is going to be 4x square plus 4x and plus 1. For question number 5, it's going to be the same thing. In here, y minus 5 is going to be multiplied twice, first by y, and I'll change the pen, first with y and second with minus 5. So first we'll give you y square minus 5y minus 5y plus 25. So final answer for this is going to be minus 10y plus 25. Second one, which is question number 6, is going to be 3y plus 1 is going to be multiplied twice, first by 3y and second by 1. So I'll change the pen here. It is going to be 3y and plus 1 is going to be here. So it's going to be 9y square plus 3y and plus 3y and plus 1. So final answer for this is going to be 9y square plus 6y plus 1. Question number 7 is going to be x plus y multiplied twice, different pen, and x plus y. So it's going to be x square plus xy plus xy and plus y square. So it's going to be final answer is going to be 1x square and another square. So 2xy and plus y square as an answer. Moving on to question number 8. As always, I write 2x plus y in two different brackets with the space between them. And first I will write a 2x in the first one, and the second one I will write plus y. So first one is going to give me 4x square plus 2xy plus 2xy and plus y square as an answer. So this is going to give us 4x square plus 4x y plus y square. A minus b will be written twice with a little space between them, and I will write first a here and minus b here, and it's going to give you a square minus ab minus another ab and plus b square. So final answer for this one is going to be minus 2ab plus b square. 2ab plus b square. For question number 10, in here, I am going to do this directly using a formula that I have already explained you. First value is going to be 2a square, and minus 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 2 is a 12, so 12ab, and plus b square, something like this. So 4a square minus 12ab and plus 9b square is going to be final answer using a formula. Next one is, I am changing this now so that you can have a good practice on this type of questions. 3 is going to be multiplied by x square plus 2x plus 4 using a formula. When multiplying by 3, so 3x square plus 6x plus 3 times 4 is a 12. This is going to be your answer. Moving on to question number 12. This is a minus b. That means a square minus 2 times a b plus b square. So this is going to give me a 9 minus 6x plus x square is going to be your answer. Now comes question number 13 and 14. I will be doing using a formula. I will not use this one. So this is going to give me a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this gives me 9x square plus 12x and plus 4 as an answer for this question. Moving on to question number 14. Now this is going to give us a square minus 2 times a, and this is a b. Consider this one as a and this one as b. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So final answer for this one is going to be minus 4ab plus 4b square as an answer. Now 15 question, I'm doing straight using a formula. In here, a square plus 2 times a b plus b square. Now comes this plus sign I'm using here, and this I'm opening second bracket, which is going to be a square plus 2 times a b plus b square. So final answer is going to be x square plus 2x plus 1, and then comes this plus. This plus comes here. I should use the same pen to differentiate, and then this is going to give me x square plus 4x plus 4. Now simplifying this, x square and this x square, this one and this one, both are same, both are like terms. So x square, then this one and this one, both are like terms. I will write 2x plus 4x and plus 1 and plus 4. Now this is going to be 2x square plus 4 plus 2 is going to be a 6x, and plus 5 is going to be your final answer. This is the benefit of using a formula. As I was saying that by now you must be comfortable in using the formula of a minus b and a plus b whole square. So this always considered as a, and this should considered as b. This value should be considered as a, and this one should be considered as b. So always be reminded with this fact. Okay. Now I'm opening, simplifying the first bracket. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus I will use this sign, this plus sign I'm using now. Okay, so I'm writing this here, and the first value a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I will simplify this first, minus 4x plus 4, and now I'm using this bracket over here, this bracket over here, and x square plus 6x plus 9. So x square plus another x square minus 4x and plus 6, both are like terms, and 4 and 9, you know very well, both are numbers. So as a final answer I will write 2x square plus 2x plus 13 as the answer. When it comes to question number 17, I'll be using the same rule, same formula. A square plus 2ab, I should write in bracket, 2ab plus b square, and I will use a plus sign now, which is this one. Now I will write a square plus 2 times a, which is 2x, and b is a 1 plus 1 square. So I can see this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now simplifying this one is going to give me a plus 4x and plus 4, and for this plus sign I'm using this one. This plus sign comes here, and this is going to be 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Once simplifying this, so x square plus 4x square, both are like terms, and plus 4x and plus 4x, both are like terms, plus 4 and plus 1, both are numbers. So this is going to be giving me 5x square plus 8x plus 1 as an answer. Moving on to the next question, which is 18. I repeat, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and now I'm using a plus sign, which is this one, and I will use a square minus 2ab plus b square. Simplifying further, y square minus 2 minus 6y plus 9, and now I'm using this plus sign now over here, and y square minus 8y plus 16. So y square and plus y square, both are like terms, minus 6y and minus 8y, both are also like terms, and plus 9 plus 16, both are numbers. Final answer is going to be 2y square minus 14y and plus 25 is going to be the final answer for this question. Now comes question number 19. In here, I will write a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now I will use minus sign, and a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to give me x square plus 4x plus 16. Now I'm using this minus sign over here, and it's going to be minus x square plus 2x plus 6x instead, plus 6x and minus x square. So x square minus x square plus 4x plus 16x 6x and plus 16, and this is a 9 plus 9. So these two guys are going to be cancelled. 4x and 6x is going to be 10x plus 25 is going to be your answer. Moving on to the next questions, which is question number 20. Yes, 19 is done. And we are on question number 20. So now in here, I will use the same trick, a square minus 2ab and plus b square. Now I will use negative sign, and inside the bracket I will have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in here, x square minus 6x plus 9, and now I'm using this minus sign. Okay, I should use a different pen. Minus x square minus, so if I make it inside the bracket, so there's going to be plus 2x and plus 1. Now I will open the bracket, 6x plus 9 minus x square, minus plus is a minus 2x, and minus plus is again a minus. So these two guys are going to be cancelled. Minus 6x and minus 2x both are like terms, and plus 9 minus 1. So this is going to be minus 8x and plus 8 is going to be the answer. Moving on to the next, which is question number 21. So first value, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then comes a negative sign, and I'll use same trick, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in here, y square minus 6y plus 9, and minus inside the bracket, I will solve this first, plus 4y plus 4. Now I'm simplifying the bracket also, minus 6y plus 9 and minus y square minus and plus, giving you a minus 4y, and minus plus is a minus 4. Now in here, y square and y square gets cancelled. Minus 6y and minus 4y both are like terms, and plus 9 minus 4. So this gives me a minus 10y and plus 5. Minus 10y plus 5 is going to be a final answer. Moving on to question number 22. As you know, I always consider this as A and this as B. Second part, this one is going to be A and this one is going to be B. A, B and A, B both are positive. Okay, so keep this in your mind that I'm considering first values as A and the second values as B. So simplifying the bracket, it's going to be A square plus 2 times A and b and plus b square. Now I'm using this minus sign. In the minus, I will be using a bracket over here, and a square plus 2a and b plus b square. I'm closing the bracket once again. So this is going to give me 4x square plus 4x and plus 1. First, this part is going to give you till here. This whole thing is going to be converted to this. Now comes minus sign. This one I'm talking about. This minus sign is going to be here. Minus x square, and inside the bracket I should simplify this. 2 times 3 is a 6x and plus 9. Now I'm simplifying the bracket over here, plus 4x plus 1 minus x square minus 6x and minus 9. So 4x square minus x square both are like terms. 4x and minus 6x and plus 1 and minus 9 both are numbers. So 4 minus 1 is going to be giving us a 3x square and minus 2x, and in here plus 1 and minus 9 is going to give you a minus 8 as an answer. So 3x square minus 2x minus 8 is the answer for this question. Now in here you should see that 3 is multiplied by the whole square of x plus 2. So that means I will be multiplying first one. First one will give me a square plus 2 times a and b, and plus 2 times square. So this is going to be the first, and then negative is going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this 3 is for the first one. So once simplifying this one, it's going to be giving me plus 4x plus 4 and minus x square plus 8x plus 16. So first 3x is going to be multiplied by 3x square plus 3 times 4 is a 12x and plus 3 times 4 is a 12. And this negative will change the sign of all the things inside the bracket, and minus 8x and minus plus is a minus 16. So final answer for this first one is 3x square minus x square plus 12x, both are like terms, plus 12x and minus 8x is going to be 8x minus plus 12 minus 16. So this is going to give me 2x square and plus 4x and plus minus 4. Minus 4 is the answer for question number 23. When it comes to 24, there are two separate things are multiplying with the product of the bracket in here. So 2a square minus 2ab and then plus b square, which is 3, and then bracket close, and then minus 3 times a square plus 2ab plus b square. Simplifying the bracket inside first, minus 6x plus 9 minus 3, simplifying the bracket within, plus 2x and plus 1. In here 2 is multiplied by 2x square minus 12x plus 18 minus 3x square minus plus minus 3 times 4, 3 times 2 is a 6x and minus plus is a minus 3. So 2x square minus 3x square plus 12x minus 6x, is it minus 12? It is minus 12x. Minus 12x and minus 6x plus 18 and minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is going to give you a negative x square minus 18x and plus 15 as an answer for this question. And that's how this exercise is complete. And just a review of what we have done in this exercise. We started with a formula. Intro to the formula I have already given you. These things are to be very much and precisely clear. And the next exercise is going to be exercise 12. Very soon I will be uploading. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all the best and have a nice day.